Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you tag products in your YouTube channel for the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to tag a product in your YouTube channel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and YouTube is part of that business, you know that they have an affiliate program so you can tag products in your videos and make a commission. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your YouTube Studio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my YouTube channel and this is the dashboard. Now, in order to tag a product for the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, you do have to apply for the program and get approved. If you need help turning that feature on, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But if you've already been approved and you simply want to tag some products in your videos, what you're going to do is here on the left side, click on content. Okay, so once you click there, you'll see a list of all your videos. So you want to go ahead and scroll through and find the video that you want to tag a product in. Once you found the video, you want to go ahead and click on this pencil icon. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see the description that you have for that YouTube video. However, in order to tag a product in the YouTube video, you want to scroll down and then here on the right side, you're going to see this button here called products. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to get the search bar. So for example, this is a QuickBooks video, but I have another channel that deals with just products. So for example, if you have, I don't know, a MAC eyeliner, all you're going to do is just type in MAC eyeliner and then click enter. Once you click enter, it's going to start showing up a lot of different products. So you want to pay attention to this. So first, make sure that you are tagging the correct product because, for example, MAC has a lot of different products that are similar. So you can just read the description right here. Also, next here on this line, this is going to show the store that's selling it. So this is going to be from Ulta Beauty. But if you scroll down, it looks like Walmart is selling a product, something called Fragrance Net. So that's really important. Also, next to the store, if they don't have any, it's going to say out of stock. And we're going to go over that in just a second. And then lastly, what's really important is the commission. So for example, Ulta Beauty is paying 16% commission. However, if you go down to Walmart, they're only paying 3%. Also, you can notice that Walmart is only paying 3%, but also they're out of stock. So someone's not going to be able to buy it from this Walmart link. So for me personally, I would probably go ahead and add this one right here. And once you found the product, you want to go ahead and click on plus. And as you can see, the product is added here on the right. So for my other channel, it's a product review. So I go ahead and just add the product and then click on done. However, if a product appears in your video, then maybe you want to go ahead and add a timestamp. So you click right here. Okay, so they let you know right here in a US experiment, September 2023, viewers that watch tagged videos with timestamps click on tagged products twice as often. So you're more likely to get a commission. So you click on continue. Okay, here we're going to click on add timestamp, and then you're going to go ahead and note the time when the product appears. Once you're done, go ahead and click on done. I'm not going to do that because this product is not in my video, but let me show you the process afterwards. I'm going to click on done. Okay, now the page refreshes. As you can see, I now have one tagged product in this video, but you're not completely finished until you click on save. So let me scroll to the top. Okay, up here at the top, we're going to click on save. Okay, it's refreshing. Okay, now the product has been added into this YouTube video. So that way it's going to be a clickable link when someone is watching this video. And if they buy this particular product in here, then I'm going to get a commission based off of what was listed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to tag a product in your YouTube video for the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.